Accidentally deleted an important video from your iPhone. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to recover deleted videos, with or without a backup. Let's get started. Method 1. Recover from recently deleted. First, check your iPhone's recently deleted album. Open Photos greater than Collections. Tap Recently Deleted under Utilities. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Select the video you want, and tap Recover. If the video is still there, this is the quickest way to get it back. Method 2. Recover from iCloud Photos. If you use iCloud Photos, go to iCloud Photos website and sign in with your Apple account. Go to Recently Deleted. Select your deleted video and click Recover. Method 3. Restore from iCloud Backup. If the video isn't in Recently Deleted, but was included in an older iCloud backup, you can restore your iPhone from that backup. Keep in mind that restoring a backup can replace your current data, so make sure you understand the risks before proceeding. First, erase all content and settings on your iPhone, then restore an iCloud backup to your iPhone. Method 4. Restore from iTunes Backup. You can also check an iTunes or Finder backup on your computer. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes or Finder, select your device, and choose Restore Backup. Select a backup that was created before the video was deleted and start the restore process. Method 5. Use MagFone iPhone Data Recovery. Don't have an available backup and don't want any data loss. MagFone iPhone Data Recovery gives you another option. Connect your iPhone to computer. Run MagFone iPhone Data Recovery. Click iPhone iPad Data Recovery. Select Videos. Scan the device. After scanning, you can preview the recoverable videos and select the ones you want to recover.